In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to a Lark group. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can bring the right people into your group chat without any confusion. First, open Lark on your computer. If you use the desktop app, make sure it's up to date so the menus look as described. Everything we're doing today is available on the desktop version, and the layout is consistent across most recent builds. Next, go to the group chat you want to add people to. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar to find the group faster. If you're in a lot of chats, typing a few letters of the group name is the quickest way to narrow it down. At the top of the chat window, click the group name or the settings icon. Depending on your interface, this could look like a gear, an eye in a circle, or 3 dots. This opens the group's details page, where you manage members and settings. Inside the group details, look for the option labeled Add Members or Invite Members. The wording may vary slightly, but it's the same place you use to bring new people into the group. If you don't see it, your organization may limit who can add members, and you might need a group owner or admin to handle it. When you're in the adding screen, use the search field to find the people you want. You can type a name, a username, or other identifiers your organization uses. Take a second to confirm you've got the right person by checking their profile picture or department, especially if you work with teammates who share similar names. You can select multiple people before moving on. Once you've selected everyone, click Add or Confirm to finalize. If the people you chose already have a Lark account within your organization, they'll join the group chat immediately and can start reading and sending messages right away. If they don't have a Lark account yet, they'll receive an invitation and will appear in the group after they accept. Keep in mind that company policies can affect who can be added, particularly for external contacts. After adding members, it's a good idea to post a quick welcome message so they know the purpose of the chat and any expectations. Depending on your organization's settings, new members may or may not see past chat history, so a brief summary helps everyone get on the same page. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, choose your group, go into group details, select Add or Invite Members, pick the right people, and confirm. You're ready to grow your Lark group with confidence.